Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is water. Correct. Number two, like this. What did I do? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. Rain. Rain is water that falls from the sky regularly. Now we can make a flashcard for rain. Please write rain up here in the top left corner, R-A-I-N. Down here, N1, V2. N1 means noun, level 1. And over here the number 144 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. Rain. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer touches the grass every day. Jennifer touches the grass every day. Touches. She decreases the distance between her and the grass. Her body comes into contact with the grass. Now we can make a flashcard for touches. For the third person, we add ES. Please make a card like this. Write to touch, SS. This means somebody or something. Down here, V1 and 3. V1 means verb, level 1. And over here the number is 66 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red one is A for up. And the last two together sound like CH, cha, cha, cha. Together, everything, touch. Game over. You did very well today. What is falling from the sky? Rain, correct. And like this, what did I do? You touched your hand. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a bad storm. Hurricane, correct. Number 2, can you say it? Very good. Your niece. This is your sister's daughter or your brother's daughter. Number 3, to realize something. Today is Thursday, July 3rd. This is a complete 2-year course. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.